Welcome to Vocab English Podcast. I am so happy to have you here with us today for another peaceful, relaxing English lesson. Today, we are going to join our friends Ken and Mina at a large, bustling shopping mall right in the heart of London. Ken wants to upgrade his style and buy some new clothes. But navigating a big department store in a new country can feel a bit scary sometimes. By listening to their journey, you are going to learn some wonderful everyday vocabulary for shopping, British clothing sizes, and useful words for different clothing fabrics. It's the perfect way to naturally practice your real-world English listening skills. If you ever feel nervous about your listening, please just take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and smile. The English in this story is spoken at a very calm, gentle pace with beautiful, clear pronunciation. You do not need to understand every single word perfectly right away. Just follow the story and enjoy the conversation. To help you stay focused, I have a fun little listening challenge for you today. As you listen, try to catch this one detail. What color coat does Ken decide to buy at the end of his shopping trip? Got the question in mind? Great! While you're listening, if you hear the answer, feel free to pause the video and type it right down in the comments below. Sharing your answers and participating in the comments section is a fantastic, low-pressure way to practice your English writing and build up your real-world confidence. All right, let's get cozy, listen closely, and see how Ken's shopping day in London turns out.
Mina, oh, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I am late.
Hi, Ken. Wow, look at you. You are completely out of breath. You are almost 30 minutes late, you know.
I know. I'm really sorry. I rushed from the station, but the traffic in London was just terrible today. Buses were not moving at all, and then it started to rain.
Welcome to London, Ken. Heavy traffic and light rain in the afternoon, that is just everyday life here. You will get used to it.
Really? Does it rain every day? I was so worried you would be angry with me.
No, I am not angry now. Your wet hair tells me you tried your best to run here. But next time, remember to leave your house earlier.
I promise, next time I will leave 1 hour early. Thank you for waiting for me in the rain, Mina. You are a very kind friend.
It is okay. The rain is stopping now anyway. Come on, let's go inside before it starts pouring again.
Yes, please. Let's go inside. My jacket is a bit wet and my feet are cold.
Perfect. Let's walk into the mall. Are you ready to do some shopping?
I think so, but wow, look at this place.
Is very big, isn't it? This is one of the largest shopping malls in London.
Wow, yes, it is absolutely huge. Look at all these lights. And there are so many people everywhere. Everyone looks so fashionable.
Don't worry, Ken. London is a very fashionable city, but you don't need to feel nervous. We are just here to find some nice, simple clothes for you.
Honestly, Mina, I feel a little overwhelmed. I usually don't like big shopping centers. There are too many stores, and I never know which store to choose.
That is why I am here. I can help you. Tell me, what kind of clothes do you usually like to wear?
Well, I am not very good at choosing clothes. I usually prefer very simple outfits. You know, just comfortable clothes like t-shirts and plain jeans.
Yes, I know your style, Ken. Your wardrobe desperately needs an upgrade. You wear that same blue t-shirt every weekend.
Hey, that blue t-shirt is very comfortable. But yeah, you're right. I need some better clothes.
Exactly. It is good to be comfortable, but we can find clothes that are comfortable and look great. Let's start with that men's clothing store over there. See the bright display near the escalator?
Oh, the one with the coats in the window? Yes, I see it. Let's go in.
Great. What are we looking for first?
Well, I need some casual clothes for the weekend, but I also need a few semi-formal clothes. You know, clothes for work and for social events.
Perfect. This store has everything. Look, here are the shirts and trousers. Let's find your size.
Wait a minute, Mina. Look at this tag. What does this size mean?
Wait a minute, Mina. Look at this tag. What does this size mean?
Which tag are you looking at, Ken?
This one on the blue shirt. It says UK medium, but it looks very big. In my country, a medium shirt is much smaller than this. I am very confused.
Oh, yes. That is because UK clothing sizes are different from Asian clothing sizes. Usually, UK sizes are 1 or 2 sizes larger than sizes in Asia.
Oh, really? So if I usually wear an Asian medium, what size do I need in London?
You probably need a UK small.
A UK small? Wow, I didn't know that.
Hello there. Can I help you find a size?
Hello?
Go on, Ken. Tell him what you are looking for.
Yes, do you have this shirt in a UK small? Or maybe a UK medium? I'm not sure which size I need.
Of course. Our UK medium is quite wide, so if you like a regular fit, the small might be better for you. Let me check the rack for a small.
Okay, thank you very much.
See, you did great. But don't worry, we can take both sizes to the fitting room later to see which one fits properly.
Good idea. UK sizes are so tricky. I'm really glad you're here with me, Mina. If I was alone, I would definitely buy the wrong size.
Come here, look at these jackets while we wait. What do you think of this material?
It feels very nice and soft, but I don't know what material it is. I never really pay attention to fabric types when I go shopping for clothes.
Well, learning about fabrics is very important, especially for British weather. Look at the label inside the jacket. It says 100% cotton. Cotton is great because it is soft, breathable, and very comfortable for everyday wear.
Ah, cotton. Yes, I know that word. Most of my t-shirts are made of cotton. But what about this heavy sweater over here? It feels different. It is a bit rough, but very thick.
That is wool. Wool comes from sheep. It is much warmer than cotton, so it is perfect for London's cold weather and chilly winters. You definitely need a good wool coat or sweater if you live here.
Oh, wool. I see. It feels like it can keep me very warm. But look at this cheaper jacket next to it. The label says polyester. Is polyester good?
Polyester is okay. It's a man-made material, so it's usually cheaper and easier to wash and maintain. It doesn't wrinkle easily. However, it is usually less comfortable and less breathable than cotton.
Wow, Mina, you know so much about clothes. Cotton is comfortable, wool is warm for London weather, and polyester is cheap but less breathable. I am learning so many new English words today.
Shopping in English is a great way to learn. Now you know what to look for. Ah, look, the sales assistant brought you the UK small and UK medium shirts. Let's find some jeans to match, and then you can go to the fitting room.
Okay,
I will find some jeans. Oh, these jeans look nice. I think I will try this pair.
Are you sure about the size for those jeans, Ken? They look a little small.
I think they will be fine. Let's go to the fitting room and see. Mina, are you still out there?
Yes, Ken, I am waiting right here. How do the clothes feel? Try on the shirt first.
The UK small shirt fits perfectly. You were totally right about the sizes. But, I'm having a big problem with the jeans.
What is wrong with the jeans? Are they too long?
No, they are not too long. They are... Wait, let me open the curtain and show you. Look.
Oh my goodness, Ken. Those jeans are incredibly tight. You look like a robot walking.
Stop laughing, Mina. I thought this was my size, but I can barely move my legs. I definitely cannot sit down in these.
I'm sorry, but you look so funny. They look like skinny jeans, but way too small. Why did you choose that size?
I thought they would stretch. Clearly, I was wrong. I need a larger size. But what do you think of the color and style?
The style is nice, and the dark blue color looks good on you. But comfort is the most important thing, Ken. If you can't sit down, you can't wear them. Go change back into your old trousers, and I will find a larger pair of jeans for you.
Thank you. I'm going to change now. I'm glad you gave me your honest opinion. I don't want to walk around London looking like a stiff robot.
Definitely not. Change your clothes, and then we can go to the next store to look for a warm jacket. Okay, here we are in the next store. Look at all these winter jackets and coats. They have a really big selection today.
Yes, they do. Oh, look at that gray jacket over there. It looks perfect for London's weather.
Hi there. Lovely day, isn't it? Are you looking at that waterproof jacket? It's actually on a special buy one, get one half price promotion today, and it's absolutely brilliant for the wind and rain. We've also got some breathable, lightweight fleece layers just over here that pair perfectly with it, if you're interested.
Sorry? Can you,
Just let me know if I need to grab a different size from the back, all right? Cheers.
I am so embarrassed. I didn't understand a single word he said. He spoke so fast, like a rocket. I only understood the word jacket. What did he say?
Oh, don't feel bad, Ken. British store assistants often speak very quickly, and they use a lot of local expressions. It is totally normal that you found it difficult to understand.
Really? It makes me feel so nervous. I felt like my English was completely gone.
Don't worry at all. He was just explaining a special promotion. He said the jacket is waterproof, which means it keeps the rain out. And he said it is buy one, get one half price. That means if you buy one jacket, you can buy a second one for 50% off.
Ah, buy one, get one half price. I know that phrase. But because he said it so quickly, it sounded like a different language. And what was that other word? Fleece?
Yes, a fleece layer. It is a very soft, warm jacket made of polyester that you wear under your main coat. He suggested pairing them together to stay warm in the wind.
Wow, thank you for translating that for me, Mina. Your explanation clarifies everything. But I don't think I need 2 jackets. I just want to buy one good gray coat.
That's fine, but you shouldn't let fast speakers scare you. Why don't you try asking the assistant for your size yourself this time? You can do it.
Okay, I will try. I need to practice.
Excuse me, sir?
Yes, mate. How can I help you?
I like this gray wool coat. Do you have this coat in a UK small? And how much is it, please?
Ah, the gray wool coat. Excellent choice. It's very popular. Let me check the price for you. Yes, it's £75, and we do have a UK small right here on the end of the rack. Here you go.
£75. Okay, thank you very much for your help.
No worries at all, mate. Let me know if you need anything else.
Mina, did you see that? I did it.
I saw everything. You did absolutely fantastic, Ken. Your pronunciation was very clear and you asked the questions perfectly. How do you feel?
I feel much better. I was so nervous at first, but the assistant was actually very friendly. When I spoke slowly, he understood me immediately.
See, I told you. Most store employees are happy to help you if you just ask. You just need a little bit of confidence.
Yes, you are right. Gaining confidence is just about trying, even if you feel scared. Now, I have the UK small shirt, the correct size of comfortable jeans, and this beautiful gray wool coat.
That is a wonderful selection. Let's go to the cash desk so you can pay for them and then we can look at your new style in the big mirror.
Great idea. Let's go pay.
Wow, Mina, look at this. Is this really me?
Oh, wow, Ken. Look at you. That gray wool coat looks amazing on you. It makes you look so mature and confident.
Really? You think so? The jeans are very comfortable too. They fit much better than that first pair. I can actually sit down and walk normally now.
Yes, no more robot walking. And that simple white shirt under the coat looks very clean and smart. It is a perfect outfit for your work events, but still casual enough for the weekend.
I really like it. Looking at myself in the mirror, I actually feel different. I feel much more confident in my appearance now. Usually, I just want to hide in my old blue t-shirt, but this feels nice.
I'm so happy to hear that, Ken. You see, good clothes do not just improve how you look to other people. The most important thing is how they make you feel. When you wear clothes that fit well and look nice, it helps you feel more confident in everyday situations.
That is very true. I never thought about it that way before. Today was not just a shopping trip. It was a really great lesson for me.
Well, you did all the hard work. You learned about UK sizes, British fabrics, and you even spoke to the sales assistant all by yourself. You should be proud of yourself.
I am, and I definitely couldn't do this without you, Mina.
That's what friends are for. Now, let's get your old clothes back on, pack up your new purchases, and head outside. The mall is getting even busier.
Yes, let's go. I'm ready to leave the big crowds behind.
How was that? I hope you enjoyed following Ken and Mina through the mall in today's story. I really hope this story helped you feel more comfortable with English and gave you a chance to understand a lot of natural phrases. Now, let's look at the question from the beginning one more time. Do you remember? What color coat does Ken decide to buy at the end of his shopping trip? Did you hear the answer in the conversation? If you did, please go ahead and write your answer in the comments section. Practicing your English by writing is one of the best ways to improve quickly. On this channel, I share many stories in slow and easy English with phrases you can use every day. I will keep making videos like this for you, so if you liked this one, please subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to give this video a like and leave a friendly comment. Your support really helps this channel continue and grow. All right, that is all for today. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day, take care of yourself, and see you next time. Bye-bye.